Am I audible there? Final check.
View is correct?
Yes, view is fine. Yes. It's fine.
Visible is correct?
Yes, it's fine. Visibility is fine. No problem. Okay, thank you. Namaste, dear viewers. Welcome to the rendezvous session. I welcome Guru Srimati B.K. Basant Lakshmi, Karnataka Kalashri. She's the director, founder of Vishruta School of Performing Arts, Bangalore. And currently she is live with us from Mumbai. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Thank you so much for coming live with us.
Yes.
So, first question to you. First question to you, ma'am. So you are in Mumbai in the lockdown. So how do you feel about this?
I'm very happy now. It's a very good opportunity to be with the daughter and the granddaughter of our family. So nicely enjoying it for holiday as it is. Plus our activities out there and doing good.
That's really very nice.
To stay here.
Very nice. Yes. What do you feel about the artists who are taking advantage of this lockdown period and they are trying to practice and create something in this lockdown period? What is your message or advice for them?
Oh, as an artist, always they can work. Artist is the field. Wherever they are, they can work. They can do their work because their mind can work and everything can be done on their own. Any other official work, you have to go there and do that and do this, that will be there. But in the art field, you can have your own individuality and thinking power to develop your capacity. So this, as I have seen nowadays, all the artists have got a very good opportunity to understand each other. Best thing to be in the family and understand the parents, do together, elders with the children. Always they used to have office work, to be outside always, come in the night and speak for some time and enjoy, like that it was there. But now no question, from morning till night, they have to be with the children and with the parents and with the wife and all the family. So they can understand how the family is now. At least it is indirectly really bad that this situation has come to our country. But in the same way, same thing has to take it in a positive way. Then we can survive well.
Very
so
good.
I feel the artists are more happy now to have their own classes. At that way now, they have got the very good opportunity to the internet and all those email and all those processes. Before in VLR learning, we didn't have all those things. But now you have so many opportunities, so many ways of learning them very well and have more opportunity and practice well and concentrate on it and do. You can think on your own like this way, different variety of programs and do their capacity. It's very nice to have like this.
Yes. How are you feeling about those teachers who are trying to conduct classes on Skype and other online platforms for their students?
Online classes is good in a way once the correct is you can learn teacher. But what happens the online is mutual understanding would be little less. Though we can see in the screen different than personally learning.
Yes.
This art is more attractive, more attention you can give when you are personally meeting each other. This art is like that. But there is no other way that we are trying to meet it. Because anyway in the Skype class we have the rhythm changer. Our one will be there for them, our two will be for them one. Like rhythm changes will be there. Everybody must understand how the rhythm changes.
Yes.
And how we have to make them. And practically show and do them, it is a problem. Because live means when you are personally in front of me, you can think easily. Do like this, do like that. But in the internet, it's difficult. But some of them have got really interest in learning to do something. We have to encourage them and teach them. Somehow we can manage. Sometimes we must make them to come individually and improve themselves and learn with the type also. But what we have to do, whatever the situation and circumstances come, we have to encourage them who are interested in learning the art.
True.
That's what I feel.
It's a very nice answer that yes, with the technology we are going ahead, but at the same time, traditional teaching has its own importance and values. Very well said, ma'am. Now, one question that had come to my mind from the time I wanted to bring you on this show was I have personally observed that whether it's a young dancer, upcoming dancer, somebody's Arangetram, you have always been there to encourage students despite maybe your age, or sometimes if you're not well also. We have seen that you don't mind traveling, you don't mind attending different shows in different auditoriums. You're not biased between going to a certain program and not going to a certain program. You go to each and every program that you are able to go. So what motivates you? I think we should be learning from that.
The motivates is my father. My father was very much interested in taking us to many programs. And at that time when we were learning, there was few programs, the Congress exhibition and some festivals like that. We didn't have the programs like what we have now. But at that time, and we used to have a very good, very special programs we used to have. So my father was first person to take us to see all the programs. And he has got the particular feeling when the starting 5 minutes earlier in the student sit there, until the end of the program you sit and come on. That principle he has developed it very much. So the same idea and the feeling we get it, because my father was, and from the beginning, he was very particular on some of the things, regular and systematic. All those things he is very particular. Anybody, like either a daughter or a wife or a son or students,
Yes.
all of them he used to look after in the same way as systematic. Whatever you are doing, do it properly. It is your responsibility. Otherwise, don't do it.
Correct.
His idea was like that. So he has taught us in that way. We cannot go out of the way at all. We have to do it. It was a principle they taught us. So we cannot think otherwise at all, because it has not come to our mind at all.
True.
To think otherwise. So it was, my father is the first person to be a regular and to be punctual and to be studying what you are doing. All those things. And seeing the performance is very particular. He was very happy to see others and encourage them, and tell them it's something wrong, guide them, and all those ideas he has got.
Correct.
The same way it has come to us, because he used to take us. He was not only going himself. He used to take all the programs for us. And I most probably am the first person with many programs with this group. So that's why I have now also, I feel like to see that program. But now I will go as a selective program. It's really worth going and see it. Then I will go. But I tell all the students to see the dance and learn, because you must see somebody dance, then you can capture which is good and you can learn which is bad not to do in your part. That is also very important. You may be doing many mistakes on your own without your knowledge.
Yeah.
When you see others, you will know, oh, this is the thing which you should not do, or this is the best thing we must learn to do. So that is the way we must learn dancing.
Correct.
And that's what when the musicians also always say, please be hearing the music, then you will know this raga and how to sing and how to make it. So in the same way, you must be always looking for the time. Because the music means you can audio, you will hear somewhere, anywhere like that.
Yeah.
But the dance is the different profession itself. You have to be there, somebody must be able to do it, and you must do it, and somebody has to see it. So this is a group work. And you must see and understand the art. That is the first thing that you should do.
True. It's very inspiring actually. When you all seniors are doing it, I'm sure we should understand not to be lazy or not to give thoughts, but just to make ourselves
No.
sure to go and watch.
Yes, we should not be.
Yes,
Because the artist must be more active.
yes,
The art makes you to be active.
yes,
If I think so, properly. Always, if you think in a positive way, yes, it is, I can do it. Definitely the mind works to do more.
yeah,
When you think that I'm not able to do it, I can't do it, if you think in that way, the mind doesn't work at all. You will be done. You can't do it.
true,
So you must have everything that too for the art, particularly Bharatanatyam, I'm telling you, you must have a challenging performance. I
right,
must do performance, I must learn well, I must do well. The challenge must be there with the artists and the
Correct.
students and the teachers.
true,
Everybody must have this challenge of this art that can really come forward with the good feelings, good development.
true. Next, I wanted you to share to the viewers. There are some students, young students, they want to experiment new items and choreographies. But traditional is equally important. So, what is your advice on for them for trying to balance?
No, I am not against to that those who are wanted to do the new things. I am really happy. I don't say no at all because individual this art is not to one person. Each person has got their own feelings, their own developments.
Yeah.
You can't anybody to force you like this way what I am doing. But once some of the ways you have to do that. Because when you want to have symmetry, and when they are learning in a particular way and learning ways, you must make anybody to do what you wanted to. When they have come to one professional line or performance line, you have to leave them to dance on their own. But
Correct.
they must learn in traditionally the what they have learned. They must use that one and do the new one.
Yeah.
That is the first thing they must do. Because whatever, even if you learn the alphabet, without the alphabet you can't make a sentence.
Yeah.
That is the main thing, alphabet you need to anyway. Any language you must have the alphabet.
Yeah.
Without the alphabet you can't say anything at all.
True.
So the same way traditionally the system which they have taught us how this procedure of learning. That procedure what they have learned, that they must keep it in mind.
True.
The basic on that, you can paint anything.
True.
There's nothing wrong in that. But this performance they must feel happy. One thing. Important is those who are observing or the audience must understand, feel happy. That is the first thing they must understand in their performance.
True.
They should not make them, the audience, to feel bored or not able to understand. That is not a thing. Whatever they do for 10 minutes, that must be attractive and understandable and they must happy. This is the performance is that. Not for only one person, but the performance to the audience first. And then the reason theory itself is there. Bhava is when you feel and when they understand, that is a bhava and the vinaya. Which is there in the theory itself. So whatever you do, you must feel happy. In the same way, you must make the audience to happy and understand. Then whatever you do, it will be good. I don't say more traditional or thing. Traditional is the basic thing where they have to follow it.
Correct.
Without the tradition, nobody can do anything.
Yeah.
They can say anything, but they will be there because they have learned that one.
True.
Using that in the mind, in the body, they will do in a different way. Every person is in different feelings. Each one has got their own. I can't take anything from you, but they can't and things in mind. Have their own feelings and their own developments. They will develop. That we should not say. But when they do really wrong, anybody can suggest them, don't do it, do properly. That's nothing wrong. But when they do new things, you must encourage them to do it. I don't see no.
Very, very, very well put. Very neatly said. My next question to you is, what is a strong memory that you can remember from your learning times? Something that comes to your mind something, a good memory or a strong memory.
So many things
Yes.
in my mind.
Yes.
You can't say that. When I start my learning of dance at the age of 7 or 8, so at that time my father was teaching only Kathak. And they used to make me performance and all. 1 or 2 years we learned by Kathak. And afterwards he started teaching Bharatanatyam. So he started teaching for us. My father was very much particular in teaching level. He was not a performer at all. He was interested in teaching to be always with the children. And he worked in starting in Bangalore. He started in Himancheshwara in the team with all the children. There also he used to create many children dramas and present them and do also many things like that he used to do. So we all enjoyed with him in that way.
Correct.
So that was a very good time that we learned this dance with him. And he was very system. One method must be there, that method, because he had a school. When you have a school, you must have a method of teaching. Otherwise, the school cannot be done properly. So the same way the Kalakshetra, when Kalakshetra started, great Rukmini Devi had created her own method of teaching.
Yeah.
To make the students learn properly and understand the art. Afterwards, you can develop on your own, it's anything. But the basic thing, what the basic thing, what is the theory? That is, she was very particular. The same way, my father also was very much particular in method of teaching. He used to teach all the groups of Advospas. Any class, any day, he can't miss the step we do. Correct. They have to go 15 to 20 minutes steps, then other people. You can't escape from it at all. And that we used to do special class every Sundays. We must go in the morning 9 to 11 to 12 o'clock. Only the step, nothing else. Nothing else. But we should not escape. If she escaped, it's a difficult thing. He used to take us. He used to scold us very well, but we have to go there. So like that, it is like that. So that is there. Tell me. Is it correct? Or you want anything more?
No, it's really good. I'm sure that many of the student dancers and viewers, they are trying to think on this.
Then my father sent to Kalakshetra. That about the Government of India scholarship I got. And at that time, they used to send some different places to learn it.
Yes.
Afterwards, it has come to the same teacher you can learn. But at that time, they asked me to go to Ahmedabad. Darpana Institute. But my mother was telling very far off. So my parents went to Kalakshetra and see all this development. Because at that time, on 66 and all, a girl to send out, it's a good problem. So
it's a dynamic
yes.
thing to do.
Went there and all the developments, how the methods are there. And he made me to join there. And even then, he made my grandparents to be with us, make a house and stay with them, and go to the club. It was by walking distance to Kalakshetra. So we were there, and so there the teaching method was really wonderful. And it was easy for me also and happy also, because my father taught me in a very particular and a punctual method. The same way it was there, maybe a little different style. But the method and doing the principle was the same.
Yes.
So it was easy for me, and with the scholarship, I was able to do that and learn it. And after I finished the diploma and also the post-graduation, that was a very special time which I learned and came out. So within 4 years, diploma and the post-graduation both is finished. So my father was very happy, and he made use of my capacity of learning in his own production and make me to understand how to do it, how to develop it, and how to choreograph it. And he was very much interested in preparing the new dance dramas. And this one, he has got very much interest in that. So we used to create and write every night and day. We used to write what story and what songs. and you have to make the tune for it. And he used to give us this is music we have done, choreography, and teach them. The method has come in that way for me.
Yes.
That was a really very good experience in learning the dance and developing and teaching.
And
The
teaching.
teaching method was developed in that way for me.
Correct.
So he is very much particular teaching that way and do it. And I was also very happy because I had that experience of in Kalakshetra, how they were doing it, and all teaching and all. And the Peti Foundation had a very good one. So it was easy for me to teach. So that was also a very good turning point memory that you. And after coming back to Kalakshetra, I joined to Bhagavat.
Okay.
Yadamal Bhagavat.
Yes.
So because my father, he was particular to some work from there. 1 year I was holiday. At that time, he made me to go for B.Ed examination. He was not at all interested for us to teach in the house at all.
Okay.
So he joined me to B.Ed class 1 year, and course I finished. So in the after 672, she was there in Baldova. She encouraged me to join the Baldova. So I worked in Baldova.
Okay.
I got to work that children more. And there, Ms. Venkatami, my husband, he was doing drama and all those things. He was very much in that. So he used to do all children drama with the music and dance and drama, both joined together to music. So there's late S.K. Madhura was there. He was very much interested in the music portion. And I used to do the dance portion, and he used to teach drama. And all three used to do, we have about 10 to 15 dance children drama produced in the Bible. That was also a very good enjoyment. And then after the marriage, it is really different life itself from family and the dance. So I was happy to handle the whole thing. I was not following. But it was also a very good memory in that how I enjoyed it. It was a good time.
Very true. I think some of the memories stay throughout, and from your experiences, we are all very much learning, inspired. So that's a wonderful thing. Also, the next question that I want to ask is, what are some of your best memories from the time of you performing? Something that is very close to your heart from performing.
Performing is individual. Arangetam I did in 62. That was also a very good memory.
Yes.
And my project called up at the Good Day. And town hall, I did the program. 62. That was a very good memory. And in Kalakshetra, when I got the diploma in distinction and did the degree at that time in 78 or 68. 68, I got the diploma in distinction.
Wonderful.
So I got it from the it was also a precious memory. And I also joined in the performance of the dance dramas in Kalakshetra. In 69, they did all series of dance dramas from beginning to Pattabhisheka.
Yes.
So I participated in all the productions and we enjoyed it very well. That was a very good performance. We learned so many things. We enjoyed dancing there. And after coming back, my father did many dance dramas. In the dance drama, I used to perform mostly all the main characters. One is Rukmini Satyabhama, that was Krishna Tulabara dance drama we did. I did as a character of Satyabhama. It was really a very good character, and we played very well and pulled up. And that production was the best. And even the Panchayat, we did the production, and I did as a Sita in that. So in so many dance productions, I did main characters and enjoyed dancing.
Wonderful.
Yes, I both used to do performance and individual performance we used to have so many days, many days and some of it. Like that nowadays there was no festival like this in our district.
Correct.
Nobody was doing it. And my father also was not particular in those only he was particular in the annual day of the school. That he was not at all missed any day. Annual day must be done in a proper way to participate all the students, do something new and do the performance. He was very particular. And that time we used to do a good performance. And we have done so many performances. And we have traveled so many places.
Correct.
And once we went to Japan and London. And Japan we went to Expo 70. Bangalore we went. Myself and my sister went to Japan. We two of us went as a dance delegates.
Okay.
And about 50 to 60 members, the university, the students stayed with us.
Wonderful.
All of us went to the university. One plane with all of us. And both of us, we dance. And we were the representation for the dance. And many of them for the music and drama and fancy dress. Like so many activities were there. We went about Expo 70. That was there. So we were both of us selected for that. That was a very good opportunity. Afterwards, Shyam Prakash, my brother, he tried to go for the London. So there also my father was very happy and we all went there, have a program there. And in London, we did the workshop and the program and some other places we did. So those are all very good experience and giving performance. And even from Kalakshetra time in 69, they took us to Europe countries from. So like that we had it. And in India also we had been to very place. And once we went to Kashmir also, just to see. My father, Prakash, Geeta and my mother, all of us, family together, we went to Kashmir to see Kashmir and come. So like that, there was a good trip that enjoyed with us. Dance performance, they have done so many places. I have not made the list of it. So many of them.
Correct. Some of your performance photographs also we have seen. I'm sure in one of the future episodes we can telecast that also. It's wonderful. When you are speaking all this, I'm able to relate it to the pictures that I have seen. And I'm sure that all of your students and all of us are very proud listening to you right now live, thanks to the technology. My next question to you is, everybody in the family, they're all artists. So how do you look at it, and how proud are you about your daughter?
My daughter.
Yes.
I taught her as a regular student, most especially. I make her to come with the same as students together. And that was easy because each one will have the understanding. My only one teaching, even particularly dance itself, to teach one person is difficult. If you have a group of 3 to 4 persons, it is easy.
Easy.
Because if one person is there, and at least about 15 minutes they will do. They say, I'm tired, I cannot do, I will do this, they will say, grumble. But if there are 4 or 5, they can't say that.
Yeah.
That is there, that you can't miss it. But from the beginning, she started in 86 or 85, class. And I made her to do with all other students. Anyway, and all of them learned together. No difference. Only when an individual program or something like that, she should have better practice. Otherwise, all learning in the regular class. No difference. I didn't have any difference. Learn in the regular class.
True. It's a very practical approach, and I'm sure that with this methodology, even Vidya Didi, she is also able to take it in the right spirit, and it's wonderful that you're not mixing things over there. So it's good to have learned in the right way. What is your feeling about everybody? All of the family members are artists. Your brothers and further in the family, the daughter-in-laws.
Yes.
How do you feel that everybody in the family belong to some of the other arts?
That's also one thing is my father's idea.
Yes.
He was very particular. Everybody must learn something or the other to be in the field. So he made all of us to learn. First myself and my sister and my brother, we three of us did it. But the other two were kept in on session for the she was also dancing. So my father was very particular. All of you must learn something or the other. So in that way, we got that group to be together.
True.
And he was always particular. All of you must be together, not separated. We must be always one. Think as one. And so that is the main feeling we all of us have. We are really happy that all of us are together and do something whatever my father had in mind and to develop with art as a great art. So we in his from his blessings, we are happy that we are able to do this much work in this field of what we are able to do. But when we start learning, we didn't expect that we are going to do like this and all.
Yes.
Really, we are happy now at this time we are doing this much and done, and we are standing in this position to be like this. I'm really happy that we all of us are together.
True. And some of your senior students, they are wonderful teachers in Bangalore. They are having their own academies of dance. So, what makes you proud for them or satisfied as a guru of theirs?
Yes, I am satisfied. Always, I feel really happy. Students come to the teaching level. They must come to the teaching level. But the standard must be there in the way of teaching. Some of them are really good teachers now. They have got interest of teaching it and also learn more to do it. But while teaching, every student must have teach properly in a way.
Correct.
What they have. Teaching is very important. What you learn, you must teach more. When you are learning, it's a different. When you are teaching, you will learn so many things. While teaching with the students, you can also learn it.
Correct.
So how we have to bend the leg, how they have to do it. So all those things you can correct it. So by correcting it, you will realize, oh, we also have to do it.
Correct.
Sometimes you may not be able to do it. But when we teach for the children, you will learn how to do properly, how it is nice, how it is better, how it is good. So the teaching is really good. So many of them are really very working and hard to teach this field. I am happy all of them are coming up.
Yes.
Really, I feel happy that they are doing it. But they grumble because of the family is there. It's also difficult in a family, both dancing and the family to manage the whole thing. It's really a difficult work.
Yes.
But the same way what I told you, the challenge must be there.
Challenge, yeah.
And the planning must be there in the daily life.
Correct.
Whatever you do, you must plan it in a way. Though this is the time which I have to allot for this. So according to that, the other things you have to do.
True.
And daily looking after the family, nobody can miss that.
Correct.
After the marriage or anywhere, that the family looking after is your responsibility as a girl, as a lady, everybody, you can't miss that. But the challenge is, though you have all those responsibilities, you must make it a plan to do what you are in life and this profession of dance. You must make it in a mind, and you must make the others also feel, oh, this is important, this is good, they can learn it, they can improve it, they can do well. And they give the performance, they will feel happy. So to do the performance, they must have this one, capacity of dancing. For that they must learn and do. All the things there. So, we must learn it well. And I am happy they are doing it. I have to manage it. That's very important in the planning the life after your marriage with children and student both must study in a way and teach them in a well procedural way traditionally and come up. And you will come up and all will be happy.
Correct.
The family also will be very happy that my family person is coming up and teaching like this to children or dancing like that. They're very happy. And they dance on the stage, every parents will like to do it. Now,
Yes.
every parents are very much eager to dance.
Very true.
Themselves are eager because so many parents have left it because of the marriage, children and all.
Correct.
So they want their children to come up and to come up in the league.
Correct.
Line. And so many parents are coming forward to learn afterward the marriage. There are too many of them. So
Correct.
the planning the system of life and learn and do well, it is a good thing. You can be really happy in teaching like this.
Correct.
The family you can be happy. That's the thing.
Yes. It's a very nice way of looking at it. I'm sure all your students who are teachers are very happy with listening to this. I have two more questions, but before I come to that, there is a viewer that is asking a question to you. He or she is asking, what is the right time to start teaching dance? One of the viewers, she is asking this to you.
Teaching the dance is that your capacity depends. How you have learned, are you able to teach that? You must learn it first. You must know your capacity. There is no limit. Anytime you can start. But you must finish one grade of learning. One grade you must finish it. That grade should be able to teach. Because the dance teaching, you must know how to, the tara and all those things you must know. The singing method you must know. And the procedure of teaching you must know. All those details, if she has that capacity that she can do it, definitely she can start the things. But we can't say when she can start. It is their individual capacity of them. Just like that, starting, because while starting for the children, we can say,
Yes.
at the age of 8 or 10, the child can start the dancing.
True.
The teaching is left to the person who is able to capacity of their learning and
True.
teaching. But I cannot tell them any kind they can do it. It is not the thing. Only the level of standard, how they have learned, they can start to teach. If they are very well learned, they can start anytime. Really, this dance is, that advantage is there.
Yeah.
Every dancer cannot be a performer. Nowadays, to do a performance is not a joke.
Correct.
Very difficult, and you can't do any kind of performance. But when you learn practically very well the dance, you can teach always. There is no retirement for the teachers.
Wonderfully
Any
said.
other officials and all those things, they have got a retirement after 6 years. So.
Yes.
But after 60 only the teachers will be more active and do teachings. So this art you can do till the end of your life.
I think this is one of the most important statements of today's Rendezvous series episode, that there is no retirement age for a teacher, there is no retirement age for an artist. He or she can continue till she wants. It's so nice to hear this.
Even as an example, my father is the first person I have seen.
Yes.
Previous the last birth he was taking the class. So we all know that anybody can think it up. Anywhere, office or any college or anything, they will give a retirement. I was also working in the university. They give me retirement in 2005 only. But I am happy that I can do more work now after the retirement.
Very
so
true.
There is no retirement for how the family as a housewife doesn't have the retirement. The same way in the art field also there is no retirement.
There is no retirement. I'm sure everybody is very happy hearing this particular answer.
You can, by teaching, you can enjoy, you can see the dance, you can enjoy,
Yes.
and give the idea and do things you can enjoy. There are so many ways you can learn it.
True. My final two questions for the day. What is your advice for students who would like to focus on other aspects of dance, such as somebody would love to focus more on singing for dance, though they have learned dance. Somebody would love to focus on photography or cinematography, though they would have learned dance, or some other related forms of art, though they would have learned dance. So, does it help them, according to you?
I know we cannot say only this will help each one.
Yes.
It is their own capacity of capacity. Individual capacity says, if they are really very good performance, they are able to make publicity and they won't give more performance, they are really good, they can do it.
Yes.
But to give performance is not an easy job.
Yes.
And if you learn other aspects of in the techniques, you can develop it and do it. It's not a problem at all.
Correct.
So everybody can do everything, but if you are in the art field, in any somehow or the other, the art through the art, you can develop your capacity and you will. It's nothing wrong in that. Should not do it. You can do it, but it's always there.
One viewer is asking a question to you. She's asking, what is your one advice for performing artists of this generation?
Performing is generation is that we can't decide that one. Generation now you can give a performance. That's what we have to do. Itself.
Yes, yes.
The performance must help the audience and you.
Correct.
Both the way it has to be helpful.
True, true.
So if she has got a good interest of more doing performance and has a good capacity of doing performance and create new things, really good, you can do the performance. Nothing wrong with that. But you must, that urge is there, must be there to do the things. Nothing wrong with that. I can't tell you should not do it, you can do it.
Yes.
It is all their individual personal capacity of their own. It cannot be given just like that.
True.
I cannot give, oh no, you cannot do it. How can I say that? I don't know what she is at that capacity.
Correct.
According to her capacity, her idea of thinking, her idea of teaching, she can do it very well. If she cannot do it, she can learn from somebody and she has got that interest of teaching. She can learn it. There are so many ways now. When we were all doing, there was no method of learning with anybody.
Yes.
There is so many things you can learn at a time in a place.
True, true.
So you have got opportunity. You can learn to your own interest and all the things, even lighting and staying, all the good things to do it. Nothing wrong in that. It's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Really good. Because everybody dancing in who will stage arrangements will do. Who will do the lighting?
Correct.
Everything you need. Lighting is necessary, stage arrangement is necessary, the costume prepare is necessary. Everything is necessary for any performance.
Yeah.
So everybody was music, she is very good. She can take the chance of music very good, easily she can see the dance, enjoy it and sing well. And in a way she can earn more also in a way and the fame.
Correct.
One person dancing, only she got the name and fame. But the singer will go to so many others and she will get a fame and the name and also she can be happy, earning more money and all this. So anyway, any method, we can improve their art. There's nothing wrong in that.
True. It's very nicely said. I want to know that there are a lot of dancers who experiment with the multimedia, projection, music, and costumes. And now it's easy to move around with the technology in hand. So, what do you advise them to be grounded? What do you advise them that they should be practicing their regular items, their regular adors? So, what is your advice for the modern day dancers and dance teachers?
That I can't tell because modern times, when you have the opportunity of practicing on your own, you can practice it.
Yeah.
But when you practice, you must know that you are doing it right or not.
Yes.
That you must know. This art, what happens, the dance is, if somebody is looking there in front of you, they can do it well.
Yes.
Somebody must be there to correct you, do correct, and somebody must be there, oh, they are seeing at me, I can do well. Like
Yes.
that, they will have that media. So, performance can be done always, it's nothing wrong. But you must have that method how to do it,
Correct.
how you perform. That is important.
Yes, a check before everything is out. Yes.
Yes. You must check what you are doing. That's very important.
Correct.
Something and all, if you do, and the people or the audience, oh, something she did, that's not the thing.
Correct.
Whatever they say, the performance, they must feel happy. Oh, she must remember always, oh, she did like that, and it's true. The performance must be always like that. To remember you who perform or who the audience.
Correct.
And who the musicians also, they must remember. In Arangetam, if you do it well, really, always they will remember. Oh, she did her Arangetam very well like that.
Correct.
So that remember must be there in the performance.
True. What is your final message to the viewers of the day, especially during these pandemic times, during the time of this corona crisis? So, what is your final message to the viewers and the artists in the viewers section today?
I always pray that let us free from all these problems and let us all be happy in future to be all of us come together, not to have more tension about this coronavirus or something like that. But one of the time, some of the artists, as you have told earlier, they are happy and encouraging themselves and practicing themselves and doing football. But that's not the only way.
Yeah.
But I pray that let it be more positively to everybody and be all of us in a normal life to be all of us. And that is my prayer to this time. That's all I can say. So one way it may be easier, some of them will be happy that they can do it. But that's not the only end of the life.
Yes.
You must have your own life to be led together, none of our higher life. Lead your life and build your field. So it must be, I pray that all of us will pray that
Yes.
be more clear all these problems and all of us be happy and be healthy together. That's what I
True. Thank you so much for your valuable time and thank you so much for interacting with all of us. It is so special to have you on a live interaction today in this rendezvous series, and we are happy that we could connect with you, though you are in Mumbai right now in the lockdown. It's a wonderful opportunity for everybody to get to know.
this opportunity to express my feelings with you all. And also this is very opportunity. I'm happy to inform you that it's a very good day for me. Even my daughter is now, she is prepared to
Yes.
Janani Devta, she is soul. She was a very good singer for all of us in the dance field. So somehow it has been coincided that she remembered her always whenever she danced, she remembers her dance. So she remembers that when it comes. So the same day it has been, she passed away in 17 years back. So she remembers that let me do in her voice that song which she has sung
Yes.
in 18 years back.
Wonderful.
So she thought of doing it. So I'm happy really my daughter also having the same thinking of dancing and doing this today.
Yes.
Both of us have the opportunity to present us, and thank you very much and all of you, all the best, Feller, and all my students and well-wishers. I thank them and wish all of them, my students, to be happy and be all of us together again.
Thank you so much. This recording of today will be live soon on a YouTube channel and we'll be passing it to more viewers on the social media. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for this wonderful experience that we all could get because of your presence. Thank you once again. I thank all the viewers also for connecting and keep visiting this page for some more of such wonderful episodes with wonderful people like Guru Srimati K. Vasant Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a wonderful time. Thank you so much. Everybody stay safe, stay indoors. Good day.